Okay, I just wanted to make a quick little video. I had this lighter outlet in the trunk space of my 2011 GLK, and unfortunately the little door that hinges here was broken off before I bought the car, and also for some reason the fuse for the socket kept popping, so I think something might be grounded poorly or something. So I ordered a replacement online after doing some searching, and the replacement came, and I realized it was fairly different. It had a little door, but it didn't have the ring around it that held it into place. So this screws in from the back side of the panel. This is the front side of the panel. But the replacement did not have that. It just had the door flopping around in here. It also had this casing over the back. I think made sure I couldn't get the ring over it, even if it was there. Didn't take me too long to figure out that this comes off. By the way, don't need it. I believe this is for if you're installing it in the glove box. And then I eventually figured out that this is removable. So what it is you can sort of see there's a little black tab in there on that side, and same thing on the other side, and just inside that little hole there. And I couldn't quite figure out how to get it out in a non-destructive manner, so I ended up just using a pliers to push in the side here, right along where the tabs were, and with enough pushing in, eventually you can slide it forward. You just gotta align the top. There's a small hole there, lines up with the ground, I assume it's the ground tab. Line that up. Push it out. Hold on. Anyway, there you go. Pushed it out eventually, and you can see the ring used to be right here where the door flipped, and it's here on the new one. Here it spins, but really a little way. If you look at the outline of the ring that holds it into the trunk, there's these little tabs all around it, and if you look here at the edge, there's the same tabs. So what you're going to do is you're going to just, again, line it up with the top, and once you slide it in, you're going to want to align the door with the top of those rings. I think maybe I just push in now. Yeah. So you can sort of see how the door then would stay in place, because eventually once you slide this back, it's going to be pushing against that, which will be pushing against this, so it won't move anymore. So yeah, there it slides right in. Now I have my door fixed. And as far as getting this out of the car, it was just a matter of taking off the removable panel where you normally get at the driver's side or left-hand side rear brake lights, or there's usually the first aid kit there. So you take that removable panel off, and you just reach and to where it is. There's a little plug here. You pull down on it, There's no tab or anything, you just gotta sort of wiggle it out. Alternatively, you can first unscrew the ring that's holding in place, pull it out, and then once you have it in the cab of the vehicle, you can then pull it out. The only difficulty there is then you might drop the ring inside the rear fender. So be careful of that. Otherwise, yeah, after you take the plug off, unscrew this, pull it through, pull this out, and there you go. So just gonna reinstall this in my vehicle, and now I'll have a happy little covered door and hopefully no more shorts. Thanks. Alright, just a quick follow-up to earlier. So here's where the lighter socket normally is. There's a panel I was saying you can remove to get access to it. If you look backward in there. Yep, there's the hole where it would normally sit. So you'd normally turn the thumb screw here, and the cord would normally be back here. You'd take the cord off and then turn the thumb screw, or vice versa. Did put the ring over the thing first in the inside the compartment, so that with the wall side facing the wall. So once it's time to secure it in place, you just screw that in. That back position, and then the inside of the wall here. Probably can't see. I'm just thumb turning that screw to get it back on. So yeah, that's where the thumb screw is, and then you just turn that back into position.